Are you planning to pursue an MBA through Symbiosis? Here's what you need to know about SNAP 2025 eligibility and reservation policies. SNAP stands for the Symbiosis National Aptitude Test. It is the mandatory entrance exam for admission into management programs across 17 Symbiosis institutes. The test is computer-based and will be held 3 times in December 2025. The best score among your attempts is considered. Now, let's look at the basic eligibility criteria. 1. Candidates need a bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks. For SC or ST candidates, the requirement is 45%. 2. Final year students can apply provisionally, but they must meet the minimum marks requirement later. 3. There is no age restriction and no limit on the number of SNAP attempts. For foreign graduates, the rules are slightly different. You must hold a recognized bachelor's degree, obtain an equivalent certificate from the Association of Indian Universities, and show English proficiency with at least Band 6 in IELTS or an equivalent score. Documents such as a valid passport, visa, and bona fide certificate are also required. Now the reservation policy. Symbiosis follows government guidelines to make education more inclusive. 15% of seats are reserved for scheduled castes, 7.5% for scheduled tribes, 3% for persons with disability. At SIMS, 90% of seats are reserved for children or wards of defense personnel. Additionally, 2 extra seats per program are reserved for Kashmiri migrants. There's also a strong international focus. Up to 20% of seats are reserved for international candidates, including foreign nationals, persons of Indian origin, overseas citizens of India, and non-resident Indians. These are supernumerary seats, meaning they are above the regular intake. 1 point: a special reservation exists at the Symbiosis Off-Campus Center in Nagpur. 25% of seats are reserved for candidates with Nagpur domicile. To qualify, you must have lived in Nagpur for at least 5 consecutive years and completed schooling or graduation there. A few important notes. If you qualify for multiple categories, you can apply under only one. All certificates will be verified and admission remains provisional until documents are approved. Providing false information can lead to cancellation at any stage. To sum it up, first, check if you meet the 50% graduation rule or 45% for SC and ST. Second, prepare for the exam in December 2025. You get up to 3 attempts. Third, apply under the right category with complete documentation. And finally, keep checking the official website, snaptest.org, for updates. This way, you'll be fully prepared for SNAP 2025 admissions.